You took good care of mommy? And mommy didn't have time to hunt again. Oops. Yep, this is your new home. For the weekend at least. Yeah, you did fine. If you don't lose too much weight, and mommy is feeding you, teaching you to hunt, then you can stay all week. Otherwise, this is just a weekend test. Okay? Uh, he is he is just playing with her, and she wants to feed him, but he just wants to play and not be cleaned. Ah, she's playing back. No, she's catching him to clean him. Ah, that's adorable. Ooh, he is rebelling against mommy. What was that? That was weird. That was a baby screaming, right? That was not mommy screaming. That was weird. I hope I misheard that. Mommy wouldn't scream at her baby. We have a rebellious face here. Yeah, he just wants to play, but mommy just wants to keep him clean, which is definitely more important, especially here. Yeah, I need to bring him to the. Yeah. He wants to play too much and she is not having it. But you have to learn to deal with your baby in the free now, in the out. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be very tough. Huh? Yeah, you learn to not go far away. Good boy. Yeah. Only playing with me. Mommy doesn't want to. Oop, and he's gone. Yes, I know. He has good hiding places and he's learned to hide. So that's good. That's great. Hiding place, always good. Is that the grass that you get playing with? That's just sad. Ah, the toys suck here, huh? But grass is always a good toy, huh? That's what I'm looking at. Other cats? Noises that can be dangerous? If mommy says follow her, you fucking follow her, okay? Otherwise she runs away from you and you become food. That's not a good thing. You don't want to become food. Like daytime should be no daytime is when your siblings died. So daytime is not safe. At least not in the forest. Well, well, he's still very agile. But yeah, he got a lot of food before I left. So he is satisfied for at least half a day from no one. And then it becomes tricky. Then he becomes squeamish and then, Mom, feed me. And then we see what mommy can do for him. Yep, this will become more interesting. Midday, afternoon, whatever.